Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. This video is very simple and shows how to use archive files for EPS for thermoforming machine, which is especially useful when using different thicknesses of PS film or frequently changing EPS underfloor heating panel styles. The operation steps are as follows. Step 1, click the button below to switch to the formula interface. Step 2, click file number and enter the number to be saved. In the video demonstration, it is number 1. Step 3, then click File Name and enter the name. Step 4, finally, click Archive to save the current touchscreen settings data to the corresponding file number. Step 5, click +1 or 1 to increase or decrease the file number. Click Take Out to retrieve the data corresponding to the selected file number. Click 150, 51, 100, 101, 50, 151, 200 to quickly switch between different file numbers. For more information on the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile. We will be happy to answer your questions.